Hey guys, can you do me a favor? Please subscribe for more content. And if you'd like to contribute to the channel.
What's going on, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a video like that. As you can see, that video looks just like me, and I'm going to show you how to clone yourself and make your own influencer in Sora2. So stay tuned for this tutorial. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get into it. Foremost, before you get started, when you sign up for Sora, when you sign up for Sora2, it's going to show you how to clone yourself. That's the first thing you have to do. I'm not going to show you that here because it's self-explanatory when you get on the app. It's really simple to do. You just hold the camera in front of you, you turn side to side, and then it's going to have you say 3 numbers. And then after that, you successfully have cloned yourself. Now, just to note how your face look at that particular time, it's going to keep it like that unless you make some changes here in the app. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you how to clone myself. Now, let me just go back out here and show you something. All right, so right when it says describe myself, you see my picture comes up here because this is my cameo. So when you clone yourself, they call it a cameo. So I'm going to click on my cameo. This is the first thing I could describe the podcast situation, but I'm just going to click on my cameo. And I'm going to say the following. I'm going to say Max, let's say, is in his podcast studio and microphones are in front of him. Well-lit studio lighting, well-lit professional studio lights. I can even get specific on what camera I'm using. I could say shot by, let's just say, a red camera. I can even be specific on the type of red camera, but I'm just going to say red camera. That's a high-end camera. Or you could say Canon EOS, it doesn't matter. So right now I'm describing what the set looks like. And he has a Apple laptop in front of him. Let's see what else. And I'm also going to describe what he's wearing. So I'm going to click on my cameo again, and now I'm going to describe what I'm wearing. I'm going to say he's wearing a vintage Avarex. I think I'm spelling this wrong. Yeah, there we go. Wearing a vintage, let's see. I'm going to say blue Avarex jacket. Oh, leather jacket. Leather jacket. White t-shirt underneath. And let's see. He's also, you got to be really, really specific. He's also wearing an authentic fitted Yankees cap. And I can also say he's also wearing prescription high-end glasses. Okay, so yeah, like I said, you're going to get real specific here because if you don't, it's going to make you look any kind of way. He's also athletically built. Okay, you got to be specific because if you don't be specific, it'll make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so let me see what else we need for the scene. that's pretty much it. Let me see. He's talking in his tone. Wait. Oh yeah, his tone is up. Let me see. Is upbeat, and he's talking in an educated manner. Okay. And now I'm going to describe how I'm talking. Now I'm going to describe what I'm saying to the camera. So in order to do that, so you're going to click on your cameo again. Looks into the camera and it says the following. Once you say says the following, put it in parentheses. And I'm just going to tell people to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to say, hey guys, um, hey guys, can you do me a favor? Please please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, well, I'm gonna say please like and subscribe, or just please subscribe. Please subscribe for more content. Let's see. Please subscribe for more content. And if you like to contribute to the channel, hold on. And if you like to contribute to the channel, my Cash App is $MaxVWorld 75. Thanks in advance. Okay, so I'm done. Oh, wait a minute. Close parentheses. Okay, close parentheses. Once you close the parentheses, it'll pretty much say what you want it to say in this particular video. So it's going to look like me sitting in front of the camera. Now, here's the only problem in this video, though. I only have one generation. I only have one generation for until 8 p.m. You get like 30 generations, mean that you could create videos. So I'm already spent on my generations. I have one left, but hopefully there's no mistakes here. Now, if there is a mistake, all you have to do is copy what you just said and regenerate it. Every time you regenerate, it's going to give you a different look video. It never give you the same video twice. So let's go ahead and generate. Oh, I made a mistake already. Let me see. Let me look at my settings. No, I didn't. It's at 15 seconds. Okay. When you have a lot to say, you want to you want to change it to 15 seconds. You can go either 10 seconds or 15 seconds. For this, I'm using landscape mode, and I should have put portrait mode because it's going to be a short, but my duration is 15 seconds. So that's okay. My duration is 15 seconds. So I'm going to wait and let me just show you. When you go click on your picture, it's going to show that it's generating right now. Sometimes it take a little bit to generate. Now, if you don't want to come up with prompts on your own, let me show you something else. I go to Sora, and then you go to Sora GPT. Now, Sora GPT really helps you out in creating the prompts for you if you don't know how to create the prompts. And it gets real specific as well. It start asking you questions. Well, would you like this added in the scene? Would you like this and this? So Sora, I would use Sora GPT if you have problems creating prompts. So that's just a little tip there. Or you could just use regular Chat GPT. It's up to you. But let's go back to Sora. So I will be back once it finishes generating. All right, guys, the video has now generated. And now I'm going to show you exactly how the video looks. Well, the video you saw in the beginning, but let's show you again.
Hey guys, can you do me a favor? Please subscribe for more content. And if you'd like to contribute to the channel.
Oh, and one more thing I have. If you don't like what the creation came up with, you can hit remix and do it again. There's a remix button and you can describe your changes, or you can cut and paste your prompt from that video and regenerate the video again. Each time the video generates, it gives you a totally different video. I don't have any more generations left. I don't really like the jacket pick too much, but I can regenerate, or I could change the jacket color, or I could come up with something else. But you can always regenerate, and it gives you different scenes every single time until you're happy with your creation. I just want to give you that quick tip. All right, guys, that is the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, please drop them below. But I will be having more tutorials on Sora in the next upcoming weeks. So stay tuned for that. If you have any video ideas on, if you want me to give you a tutorial on the prompts, on how I come up with certain prompts, just let me know below. If you have a certain video creation idea you would like, drop a comment below. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.